In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Black Ops 6 new update available error. Now to fix this, what you want to do is first come here and search for Task Manager. In here, head over to Details. And once you're in here, you want to either close down your Steam or your Battle.net. This depends on what you're using, but I'm using Steam. So what I would do is I would search for S and then look for Steam. You can sort by the name up here. Then you want to find steam.exe and close this one down. Now once that is closed down, it should also close down all the other Steam web helpers. If it doesn't, just close them down as well. After that, head over to Processes. If you have Black Ops 6 open, you want to select it and end the task. If you don't, then just move on to the next step. After that, what we want to do is we want to come here, open up CMD, so search for CMD, right click, run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig space /flush DNS. After that, we want to type net sh space winsock space reset and press enter. Now once you've done this, just close it down. Then what you want to do is you want to open up the launcher again. So in my case, it's Steam. So I'm just going to quickly open up. Once you have Steam open, what you want to do is you want to find Black Ops 6 out here. And then what you want to do on the game is you want to right click on it, go to Properties, find Install Files, and verify integrity of game files. Now if you're using Battle.net, what you want to do is you want to find the game, and on the game there should be a cogwheel button right here. And in here you want to do scan and repair. Now after you've done that, what you should do is you should restart your PC, and then hopefully it should work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.